Good morning. Alright, this is what we're doing today. There was a 4-inch cast iron stack going up this wall. There was a hub here in the middle, and below the hub the cast iron was cracked. And because it was 100 years old, all this old cast iron fell down the drain and stopped up the drain and the vent. So this toilet here would flush sluggishly all the time. So we're removing all this cast iron and go back with 3-inch PVC. You gotta go upstairs. Half bath upstairs ties into this. We gotta cut it above it and then get new piping. Alright. This is what we're dealing with. So now we gotta go underneath the house and take the rest of this. There's a double 90 boogie bend to get to the toilet drain here and all. Alright. Thank you for watching. We'll continue in a minute. Alright, we're here underneath the house where we took out this 4-inch cast iron. There was a what they call a double 90. It was a single cast iron fitting that came down here and tied on with a reducing rubber boot, where it actually went from 4-inch to 3-inch. So we're just going to continue with 3-inch upstairs. Since everything's low flow fixtures now, we did a coupling, a 90 and a street 90 to get back up into the floor up there. It's a little tricky, but we got it in there. Alright, thank you for watching. And we gotta go upstairs and cut the cast iron upstairs before we can put a 10-foot length in. Alright, thank you for watching. And we still got a bunch more to replace when we redo this bathroom. Yeah, it's seeping water there from the tub. And then we still got old galvanized on the lavatory, the pink lavatory up there. All that's got to be replaced since there's no way to get a cable through that radiator 90. Yep. So we'll redo the bathroom. We'll fix all that because we got to joist the sister up. Got a lot to do. Well, these solder joints do not look good on the copper either. They're all ashen. Well, all this was done in the 80s. Alright, later. Nice. I can switch my cast iron now.
Second. Oops.
Whoops. Oh, it's buried in the wood, yeah. There we go. Oh, it's the original baseboard there?
Is it wood or drywall?
That's wood. A little pry bar, huh?
Yeah, it's right here. Did I cut it? No.
A mouse nest?
Looks like to me.
Well. Well.
And where are we going to go? Just a little hole there?
Well, we can cut it right in. We can cut it right in there. We just got to get up enough to get the rubber boot to fit on it, and then we just put a short piece in the santee. Because this will go in the. This will go in the rubber boot going up, right, to get us to 3-inch, right. Right. Hey there again. Alright, we got this together finally. Yes, we did run 4-inch and reduce to 3-inch to get into this stack. And there was a 3-inch cast iron vent in the wall already. And the only fixture on this line is one low flush toilet. So I'm not really worried about it. Even though technically it's not the code. Be just fine. That's what we got. Still gotta cap this water off. And there's another water line my brother said around here somewhere. It must be over here. Another water line hidden that we gotta cap too somewhere. Must be in this corner.
What is Aiden?
I'm not sure, bud. So that commode is on that line. This sink's on a different drain line that goes down.
Hello. I'm stuck.
About an inch and a half and it goes through the roof. Alright, thank you for watching.